Now children, after preparation of alkanes, next content chemical properties of alkanes, right? Physical properties are based on structural arrangement like boiling point, melting point, solubility, density, right? Physical states also, right? But chemical properties are based on chemical reactions, right? One property of alkanes is halogenation reaction, right? In halogenation reaction, reaction of alkane with halogen in the presence of halogen, right? And initiator is sunlight. This halogenation reaction occurs in the presence of sunlight. Then displacement reaction is shown by alkanes, right? Displacement or substitution of hydrogen atom by halogen. Here halogen is chlorine. This process is also known as chlorination, right? By chlorination method, the halides are obtained. Halides, chlorides. Okay, children. Conversion of methane into chloromethane by halogenation process. If halogen is taken in excess, then displacement or substitution of one more hydrogen and formation of dichloromethane. Right? 4 hydrogen atoms are present here. 4 steps of substitution or complete substitution or displacement reaction or complete chlorination of methane. Third step, reaction of dichloromethane in the presence of chlorine. Right? Experimental condition is sunlight and then formation of chloroform. Right? 2 halides are underlined. Chloroform, which is used as solvent. Right? Anesthetic agent also during surgery. This trichloromethane, right? And another name of this trichloromethane is chloroform, right? Now, chloroform, when chloroform reacts with chlorine, then replacement of this hydrogen also and formation of completely substituted product, right? This tetrachloromethane or carbon tetrachloride is a final product of methane. Further displacement is not possible, right? Why? Hydrogen is absent in this carbon tetrachloride, right? Complete halogenation or complete chlorination of CH4 gives CCl4 and byproduct in each case is hydrochloric acid. Okay, children? Now reaction mechanism for this halogenation. Reaction mechanism, it means cleavage of old chemical bonds or breaking of old chemical bonds and formation of new chemical bonds, right? Such process is called mechanism, right? Halogenation is based on free radical mechanism. Free radical. Free radical means odd electron containing species, right? Chlorine free radical, when unpaired electron or odd electron is present in chlorine, then radical is chlorine free radical. Methyl group, methyl free radical. Hydrogen, hydrogen free radical, right? Hydrogen is not written here, hydrogen and hydrogen free radical, right? First step of free radical mechanism is initiation, second is propagation and third is termination. Initiation means initiate the process. Initiator, this light acts as initiator. In the presence of sunlight, homolysis of chlorine. Half added arrow is showing homolysis, right? After homolysis, the shifting of electrons to each atom. After complete bond breaking, like this. Then one electron goes to one chlorine and second goes to second. After complete homolysis, formation of chlorine free radicals, right? 1 mole of chlorine gives 2 chlorine free radicals. This step is initiation, right? Then for next step, which is propagation, free radical acts as initiator. Free radicals are highly reactive species. Free radicals, right? Between complete octet or duplet. Then when chlorine free radical reacts with methane, then formation of methyl free radical, right? CH3 free radical and H with Cl, formation of stable molecule, which is HCl. Here what is written? SEN. This is side product, right? Propagation, it means chain reaction, right? Second possibility, reaction of this methyl free radical with the chlorine gas and the formation of chlorine free radical. Two free radicals are very important. First is chlorine free radical, second is methyl free radical, right? Other possibilities for propagation or for this chain reaction, right? Reaction of chlorine free radical with CH3Cl and formation of CH2Cl free radical. Odd electron is present here and stable molecule H and Cl, right? By which method? By homolysis. Okay. Final product of homolysis is always free radical or odd electron containing species. Okay, children. Next possibility, reaction of CH2Cl free radical with a chlorine molecule. In propagation, one species is neutral, stable, second is free radical. Like this, like this. Fourth possibility, reaction between chlorine gas, chlorine molecule and CH2Cl free radical, right? The stable product is CH2Cl2, like this, dichloromethyl, CH2Cl2, and free radical is a chlorine free radical, right? Again, chlorine free radical reacts with another molecule of methane and continue this process, right? Now children, last step of free radical mechanism is termination. Termination means to stop, right? When reaction occurs between free radicals, then formation of neutral molecule. First possibility, reaction between chlorine free radical and chlorine, right? Between chlorine, then formation of chlorine gas. Between hydrogen free radical, formation of hydrogen gas. Right, but here is no hydrogen in this case. Methyl radical, stable molecule C2H6. One more possibility, reaction between CH3 radical, right? CH3 radical and Cl radical, like this. CH3 radical plus Cl radical and formation of CH6. Final product of termination reaction is always stable molecule. Okay, not active species. Okay, children. This part is important. One question based on mechanism. Give reaction mechanism for halogenation of alkenes. If alkene is methane, give reaction mechanism for halogenation or for chlorination of methane. Okay, children. Thank you.